Okay, find tension in the string and normal reaction on the block of mass m where the system is in equilibrium. We know that meaning of equilibrium, net force 0. Net force acting on all blocks is 0. Net force acting on this block is 0. Okay, what is the tension in the string? Here tension is there, tension in the string and a normal reaction on block. Okay, we know that here this is the point of contact. Take point of contact. Normal, draw a normal. This is the normal to this surface. This is a normal reaction on small m. Here I want tension at this point. This side is not tension. Tension in the string. Here tension this side. We know that the weight is acting which direction? The weight acting vertically downward. Weight of the block, suppose here, the block weight is acting vertically downward. So draw a FBD for small m FBD. So here, this side is T sir. Okay. Normal reaction. Normal to surface. Okay, sir. This is mg. We know that this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. In equilibrium is nothing but what is the meaning of equilibrium? Equilibrium means net force 0. Net force 0 in all direction. That means here fx equal to 0, fy is equal to 0, fz also 0. Okay, sir. In all direction, net force 0. Okay, here, sir, here, along this direction also net force 0. Along this direction also net force 0. So, that's why for our convenience, the mg can be resolved along this side, along this side. We know that. So, here, this is the mg direction. What is this? This is 90 minus theta, sir. mg can be resolved along this side. Sir, mg cos of 90 minus theta. Okay. Then this side, sir, mg sin of 90 minus theta. So here, this is the mg. This side is adjacent side. mg cos of 90 minus theta. Theta is, so here this is the exactly. Na? So it is both parallel to each other, this line and this line, so problem. So here this angle is how much? 90 minus theta. mg cos of 90 minus theta. mg sin of 90 minus theta. Okay, this side is exactly opposite of this one is, what is the, sir, mg sin of 90 minus theta cos theta. Exactly this side, sir. This is mg sin theta. Okay. It is balanced in all direction net force 0. No? That's why these two balance, these two balance. Therefore, m is equal to mg cos theta. T is equal to mg sin theta. So here is the tension in the string. A normal reaction on the block of mass m. This side. That is the fourth one. This third one is over. Fourth one. So here the system is in equilibrium, find theta. System is equilibrium means net force on blocks is 0. Net force on this one 0, this one also 0. Are in equilibrium. That means here M1, what force is acting on M1? What force is acting on M2? Here M1, one force is this side, one is M1G sin theta. Okay, sir. Then this side is tension, sir. Okay. Here normal reaction, normal to the surface. Normal reaction. Here this side, M1G resolve na? M1G cos theta. Here tension, this side. It's right, down. Free body diagram for M1. For M1, sir, for M1. Free body diagram. That means T exactly opposite is M1G sin theta. This side answer opposite is N balanced by M1G cos theta. T balanced by M1G sin theta. That means N equal to M1G cos theta. Equation 1. Here T is equal to M1G sin theta. Equation 2, sir. Okay. Then students, for free body diagram for M2, free body diagram for M2. For M2, listen, this is the T upward, M2G downward. It is at rest, means upward forces equal to downward forces. That's why T is equal to M2G. So here, this is the equation 3, 2, 3, T. That's why here, therefore equating equation 1 and 2, M1G sin theta is equal to M2G. GG cancel. Sin theta is equal to M2 by M1. Or theta is equal to sin inverse of M2 by M1. This is the angle made by angle of inclination. Okay, fifth problem. Fifth one. Find the normal reaction between the blocks M1 and M2. Normal reaction between M2 and surface. So how to find normal reaction between two blocks? So here, this is the point of contact of these two. Normal reaction on M1 is this side, N1. Okay. Then normal reaction on M2 here is this side. Okay, sir. Then what is the normal reaction between M2 and the surface? So your normal reaction. Normal reaction on M2 is this side. Okay, sir. On surface is exactly opposite side. That's simple. Free body diagram for M1. FBD for M1. So here, this is the M1. What forces acting on M1? One is weight. M1G downward. Another one, normal reaction. Vertically upward. This is M1. The system is in equilibrium. So here, when the system is in equilibrium, system is in equilibrium. That's why here upward forces equal to downward forces. Therefore, sir, here N1 is how much? N1 is equal to mg, sir. N1 is equal to M1G. M1 is there, not M1G. Clear? Right. What about for M2? Listen carefully. For M2, sir. For M2. Sir, here M2G vertically downward. Then vertically downward. So here this is the M2. What forces acting on M2? M2G downward. Okay. N1 on M2, N1 is down. This is N1, sir. So here on M2, N2 is upward. Here three forces acting on M2. One is its weight, vertically downward. N1, vertically downward. N2, upward. Here it is in equilibrium. Upward forces equal to downward forces. Therefore here, N2 is equal to N1 plus M2G, sir. This is the equation 1, sir. Suppose equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, N1 is M1G. Substitute here. Therefore, N2 is equal to N1G plus N2G. N2 equal to M1 plus M2. into G. Right, sir? So here this is the normal reaction. Yes. What about this, sir? Same similar thing. Similar. Please. So here, this is the point of contact. Normal reaction on M1 is this side, sir. At the same time, what is the normal reaction on M2? N1 down. This is over. What about here, sir? Normal reaction on M2. This side, sir. On M3. This side. A normal reaction on M3. This side. On surface. Down. Okay. Then free body diagram. We get answer. For M1, free body diagram for M1. Here, sir, M1 up. Therefore, M1G down. It is in equilibrium. Therefore, your answer is N1 is equal to M1G. This is equation 1. Okay. Then what about M2? Similar thing. This is M2. M2 is beta. What forces acting on M2? M2 on M2, its weight acting vertically downward. N1 downward, N2 is up. Okay. Therefore, your answer is N2 is equal to N1 plus M2G. Equation 2, sir. Equation 2. N1 is M1G. Substitute here. Therefore, N2 equal to M1 plus M2 into G. So here this is the normal reaction between M3 and M2. Normal reaction here. Normal reaction here, M1G. The last one is for M3, sir. For M3 free body diagram, all of you write. Free body diagram. M3G down, sir. Clear. And upward is M3. Normal reaction on M3. Then, sir, here M2 down. It is in equilibrium. Your answer is simple. Your answer is, that is M3 is equal to N2 plus M3G. N2 is M1 plus M2G. M1 plus M2G plus M3G. Therefore, here M3 is equal to M1 plus M2 plus M3 into G. This is the normal reaction between M3 and floor. So here, what is the direction of normal reaction on M3? Vertically upward. What is the normal reaction on floor? On floor, vertically downward. What amount? M3 is equal to M1 plus M2 plus M3G. Okay, thank you very much.